everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's just Jacqueline. We are at it again. It is the month of May and it is Ipsy time, everybody. And sorry about that. If you can hear my boyfriend mowing, he's trying to get a jump on the rain we're supposed to have for at least another week. Yay! And if you haven't already, I'll leave it linked down below, my last video about the flood that we're dealing with, so we definitely don't need any more rain here, but we're gonna get it anyway, apparently. Yay. I finally received my Ipsy bag a little late this month. Let's go ahead and jump on in, see what the month of May Ipsy's gonna give me, what the bag looks like. Let's just hope for the best always. Also, let me know if the little ring light on my glasses irritating to you guys. Because in my last video, I noticed that it kept hitting like the center of my eyes, like that. I'm trying to keep my head directly out of the keep my head out of the direct light so that it doesn't throw little rings on my glasses. Let me know, does that bother you guys at all? Leave that in the comments down below. All right, let's go ahead and jump on in and see what the month of May Ipsy has. Oh my goodness. Okay, so right away, there is nothing in the rest of the bag, so I can go ahead and just... Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this bag. It is so sparkly. It says Ipsy right here, and then it's got the little... It's like a little leather tassel. Actually, this is a previous Ipsy bag I got. I think it was January, if I'm correct. The tassel on it is pretty similar to the tassel on the month of May. Not that it's a big deal to repeat a tassel, especially this one. I really like this leather kind of fringy tassel. Immediately I was like, hey, I've seen that tassel before. The outer texture, multi-glitter with pink, and it looks like pink and gold, and I can see a little green, and it's just got a whole bunch of colors to it. And you can hear it's got rough texture to it. And seriously, just put this one right in my purse. I say that about almost all my bags. What do you guys do to recycle or upcycle your past Ipsy bags? Leave that down in the comments below. I'm interested to see, because right now, every once in a while, I'll use one for a makeup bag or something to throw it in my purse. But other than that, my Ipsy bags just sit in a bag. So what do you guys do with your old Ipsy bags? All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump on in and see what the month of May has in store for me. So immediately I'm going to pull out the card that they send, because inside here it'll show me everything that I get, and I don't want to ruin that because I've waited all month without looking on the app. And let's see what the first product in my month of May Ipsy bag is. So right on the top here is a little box from Kaleido Cosmetics, Soft as Skin Blush. Prima Donna, I think, is the shade. So here we go. So it's this cute little white box here. Let's go ahead and... Oh, that's so cute! A little mirror here. I'm trying not to flash everything in my view here. But yeah, it comes with a little mirror on the top. And then the blush here is really pretty. So let's go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, that is buttery soft. So this has kind of a shimmer to it in it, and it's kind of like a pinky shimmery gold shimmer. So that's really pretty, and I'll probably use this. I might use this for an eyeshadow too or something like that. So let's go ahead and dive on in and see what the second makeup product in my month of May Ipsy bag is. Product, I guess it doesn't have to be makeup. And of course the second product is not makeup. It is from Pretty Woman and is a nail polish, Royal Fantasy. I've gotten nail polish from Pretty Woman before, and I really like the brush that they have. It's a flat and then kind of rounded at the top, if I'm remembering correctly. Oh my gosh, Royal Fantasy. It is a gorgeous, metallic purple here. So let's go ahead and see if it has that brush that I really like. Yes, it does. And so it's a little more flat than a normal nail brush, and then on the top there, rounded there. I'll go ahead and paint one of my nails. So this is one really quick coat of this polish. I assume if I would also like double up, let it dry, it would be a lot more metallic. So he's done mowing. So if you hear somebody mowing, now it's the neighbor. But yeah. So I really like this nail polish. It's like a shimmery, it's like a mix between the silver and the purple. Like I said, I assume if I doubled up, you'd definitely see the purple a little bit more. Top on this brush makes it really easy. I don't mind my horribly unkept nails, but let's go ahead and see. I'll show you a little bit of how this brush and its rounded top here helps me. You know what? Never said I was super good at nails. I just super enjoy doing my nails. So there's that. Rounded brush on this helps me to make less of a mess when I'm doing my nails, and so therefore I have less to clean up the next day. I try not to use acetone or any other chemicals. I just wait until I'm in a hot soapy shower and then I just rub the nail polish off my fingers. So there's that too. That's why if I ever post my nails, usually it's the day after, and if it's not and I was super excited, you're never gonna see clean lines on my nails because I don't like to use acetone and stuff. I used it for years and the smell is horrible and it makes my nails feel weird and I just don't like it. So if you ever see a picture of my nails, that's why. Dive on in and see what the third item in my month of May Ipsy bag is. The tube here is from Real Elemental Practice, or REP. It is a bio fresh mask with real calming herbs. It's really pretty. I mean, it's like total 70s vibes here. And then it's like, it looks like a medical name right there. So let's go ahead and see if this has, it says it's supposed to have real calming herbs. Wash off mask made with natural herbs that soothe, calm, and hydrate skin. Contains calendula and chamomile, which helps gently exfoliate and stimulate circulation. It's a face mask that is going to come in handy because I absolutely love face masks. You just have to smell like everything. Calm smell, so I get that sounds really weird, but it's true. It just like literally calming herbs. That's what it is. It smells like a calm smell. I don't know if it's the chamomile I'm smell like that, but I'll be honest, it actually smells like a really mild scent of the Apto face mask that to me all smell like the turmeric face mask. So you got this face mask, let me know what you think it smells like. Is that the chamomile I'm smelling that's like calming and like has like earthy notes to it? What do you think? Did you get that face mask down below? Dive on in and see what the fourth makeup product in my month of May Ipsy bag is. Oh my gosh! I am so stinking excited. I've been getting like one or two like really good makeup products that I've like already heard about, already been on Insta, already been a hit on YouTube. Those kind of products, and this is one of them. It is the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit mascara. I have not gotten any mascaras from Ipsy, so this is my first mascara, and I'm absolutely ecstatic that it is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. So let's go ahead and pull this bad gal out and look at that there. See what this wand looks like. Oh my gosh, look at that. So it's kind of like spiky and then it's tapered to really get like on your inner lashes. Oh, I think that's gonna be so great. I can't wait to try that out. All right, guys, so we're down to the final fifth product in my month of May Ipsy bag. Let's go ahead and see what the fifth product is. So it's a huge box. It says it's a velvet liquid lipstick, matte, long-lasting, and moisturizing. Brand Hoola Neon. And then on the top, FOMO. Assume that stands for something, but I don't actually know what that stands for. And I wonder if that's going to be the color. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what color it is. It says Hola Babe on the inner tab here. Oh my gosh. It's absolutely gorgeous packaging. Like seriously, Hoola Neon, you killed it with this packaging here. It's like a hard plastic, and then on the top it's a gold accent, and you can see the color in there. I think this is actually a full size too. This is like huge. Of course, like in all my videos, I'm not the one that like, we're gonna try it all on at the end. No, I just slap it on. So let's go ahead and just slap this on. So there it is. I actually think I really like this color, and nobody ever said I was a master at putting on any kind of lip color, because I'm definitely not. Sometimes I feel like a pig in lipstick. So let me know down below how you like this color on me, and if you got it, how do you like that color? Did you get a different color? I don't even know if there was different colors. I haven't even seen like what the other options are in the Ipsy bag. So if you got a different color, leave me a comment down below. Really amazing. Between the Bad Girl Bang, the new blush that I'm probably going to use more as an eyeshadow from Kaleidoscope, the new face mask that I got, and I absolutely love getting nail polish. That is one of the best things to me in a bag. I would have to say now I like getting mascaras, so if I could get more of those Ipsy, that would be perfect. All right, guys, that's all I have for the month of May Ipsy bag. If you haven't already, leave me a thumbs up, and go leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to click the little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, remember, be nice to your neighbor, say please and thank you, and hold the door for somebody, guys. All right, bye. See you in my next one. So at first when I put this liquid lip on, it felt really like smooth, and it totally fit the claim of moisturizing, but now that it's dried down entirely, it feels just like a little bit is drying, actually. I still really love it, and I still really love the color, and it still feels really like soft and velvety like it claims, but maybe it's not exactly moisturizing the whole time you wear it. So take that as you will.